Imagine launching a campaign and having all your images ready in just minutes, while your competitors are still looking for a designer. Let's go ahead and check this one out. All right, guys, so this is the landing page of Reve. The link to this will be in the video description. It's positioned as a next-generation creative generation platform that's built for speed, consistency, and, in fact, for visual quality. So this website is introducing the brand with a clean, modern interface, and it's highlighting that exclusive creation bonus for early users. And guys, stick around because I'll actually show you how you can create those images in just a bit. Reve operates as a centralized creative workspace designed to simplify content production. So if you're still manually creating your images, searching for something on Google and then editing it, and that actually takes up tons and tons of your time. I'm talking about days just to finish everything and start editing it all in one video, right? So with this, guys, it's definitely going to be super helpful for you to cut down on that effort while still producing the top-notch video content you're always aiming for. Now, these tools let users move quickly from concept to execution without having to rely on complicated design software. So really, it doesn't actually require you to do that. You don't need to be proficient in using Photoshop, Lightroom, or any other software that depends on skill and talent. The platform focuses on common creative formats like product ads, social media posts, and digital banners, which makes it great for marketers, creators, and small teams too. So Reve actually gives you instant access through a demo account, letting users get started right away. So you all can try it out for yourselves and see just how powerful it is, how easy it is to use, and how much it can do. It consistently helps you hit every one of your critical deadlines. And it also ensures that the overall quality of your professional work is always absolutely top-notch and impressive. Now, here's the typical use case. It shows how social media posts can actually be created in just 3 simple steps. You pick a preset, customize the visual elements, and then export your final design. Now, of course, I always want to make sure you do your own research. And you can also go ahead and check out the link tree in the video description. Once you click on it, it'll take you straight there. You'll see all their social media platforms, and I highly recommend you follow or subscribe to them. That way, whenever there are updates, announcements, airdrops, giveaways, basically anything and everything about Reve, you'll always be in the loop. So this is their X account. They already have 17.5 thousand followers. And as you'd expect, they always have a lot of posts and content on their X account. All right, so it's all here and you'll find it in the video description. Now, let me go ahead and start creating so I can show you what it actually looks like. All right, so this is actually something I made earlier. Now, let me go ahead and think of something. Create an ad for, let's do a Minecraft toy being played with. Buy it, kid. Let's check this one out and then click send. Now it's gonna work. So you know how AI takes a little time, but it will give you all the information you ask for. Now, of course, the more detailed or specific your prompt is, the better the results you'll get based on what you're thinking. So your idea. All right, so it's almost done. Look at this one, guys. In just under 5 minutes, all I did was ask it to create an ad for Minecraft being played by a kid. It searched for the images and incorporated them into the ad. Look at this. You already have 4 choices. And those are actually good enough for you to use. And you can already post, right? I mean, that's it. What else can you do? I mean, what else could you do to improve that? It's very engaging. It's very catchy. And you'll be able to check it out yourself. So you can log in, create your account, and then test it out. See for yourself the power of this tool. So overall, guys, Reve is positioned as a practical solution for meeting tight deadlines and scaling content, while also maintaining polished, consistent visuals. Now, again, guys, the links are live below, so log in to rev.com. You can claim your bonus and create your first standout visual in just minutes. Get ahead of the competition while they're still waiting. And if you're new to the channel, guys, I hope you'll consider clicking like, subscribing, and hitting that bell so you'll always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.